Hi guys, here we are back again at Scopwick level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go, sounds a bit different than before. The time now is 14:48 on Thursday the 13th of November 2014. And this is for our 14:39 2 Kilo 48 East Midlands train service from Peterborough to Lincoln Central. Expect arrival at Ruskington Station 14:43. And this train might be just arriving at Metheringham for our 15:04 2 Kilo 39 East Midlands train service from Lincoln Central to Peterborough. After about three and a half months of this crossing being shut, it's finally reopened again. If you're wondering why I'm not school on a weekday, it's because I've been to have a look around Lincoln College today, and I'm looking forward to it to go back up there in September. Here she is. We just got a single 153 coming. We've got 153379. 153379 up to Lincoln Central pretty quick, and up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.